As a member of the FPS community, all of you are dog shit. Granted, the gameplay I'm showing right now, I am not good at CSGO, but I'm speaking for in general, most FPS players are dog shit. If we're dividing them by communities, definitely Call of Duty is the most unskillful FPS game, and that's what the majority of FPS gamers are. They play COD, and their main use input is controller, and there's nothing wrong with playing controller. Hell, I play controller on a lot of games such as Elden Ring, Call of Duty, etc. But if you're accusing someone that's mouse and keyboard of cheating and you know nothing about mouse and keyboard, don't accuse someone. Oh, Kaxy, why are you talking about this though? What is the context? So recently Battlefield 6 open beta came out and there has been a lot of people interested in having fun with the game, and a clip rose upon Twitter. Riley CS, an FPS VTuber that focuses on FPS games. Who could have guessed? Recently they made a post on Twitter which is just clips of Battlefield 6 of them hitting insane flicks or insane shots or smart moves. Here's the video of mention.
Oh my god, you did follow me in Delta Force era. That was so long ago. Oh my god, what the fuck? That was nuts! Wow, I flicked straight at that guy through the wall. Oopsie. How are you getting 240 FPS? Good computer. How much of this game have you played, though? Hey, teammate. Whoa! So I just got a free Abyssal Dagger.
That's so insane.
Oh
Feels
my.
like this gun is gas.
Oh my god, I'm crying. What the fuck?
If you don't do the dishes, you don't have anything to eat off of.
True.
It's the method. I'm telling you.
Okay, so you had 2,000 viewers and you're calling me famous. No way! I just lost a nutty clip to Bloom. Three TS, what the fish?
People are calling this shit cheating, by the way. Yeah, no, I'd be very disappointed to see people saying shit like that. These are the primary clips why people are saying this person is cheating.
Wow, I flicked straight at that guy through the wall.
Now let's run that clip back. You know, I noticed a lot of things in the FPS community. None of them know how to use the mini-map or react to audio cues at all. It's genuinely a problem. Yeah, man, they're definitely cheating. They had no idea where they were.
Oh, oopsie. How are you getting 240 FPS? Good computer.
I mean, people are telling me that they're aimbotting, but they just completely overshot a person. Please understand how aimbot works. Once again, in this case, it's a minimap situation. When they actually turn around, you can see on the minimap, you didn't see them initially because the VTuber model was covering the screen. That's how OBS works. Oh, but she instantly swiped over to a building where you can visually see nobody. Nobody was there. Do you ever think that somebody overshot, which we already seen that just happen? Are we genius? When I tell you 90% of the FPS community is complete dog shit, I mean it. They are so unbelievably unskillful that they instantly accuse somebody who is good at the game of cheating. There has been so many cases of this happening that it's even happened to me before. Riley has over thousands of hours in CSGO and Valorant, and you expect me to think, oh, that person's instantly cheating. Like, are we actually stupid? Granted, if I get proven wrong, I'm wrong, but I genuinely don't feel like they're cheating at all. The clips they're posting, I'm essentially gonna call it cheater bait, where you show clips of you hitting absolutely insane shit, and then people are gonna accuse you of cheating because how insane it shit is. Shroud is a very popular figure in the FPS community, and this is one of the main things he does. Hell, most of these people would probably say Marley is cheating in Rainbow Six Siege when he is just actually insane at the game. Oh no, I utilized the mini-map and understand sound cues. I must be cheating. And there are people like Asmin Gold claiming that she's a cheater. Dude, you are completely dog shit at video games. You cannot have a take. Most of the people making these claims just play COD and that's about it. You know, the game that has an entire meta and people crouch walk everywhere, camp prone, etc. Like, dude, you cannot be for real. And I'm gonna be completely genuine with you. COD players can't aim for shit. I was playing COD multiplayer and I get in very high lobbies because I'm actually good at the game. I get skilled against some of the best players. The majority of the COD community tends to shoot at the ground and aim at the floor the entire time. This is why they wouldn't be able to survive in games like Siege. Also, a very large amount of the FPS community don't use keyboard and mouse, and that is a literal fact. Controller is used way more often. And that's because mouse and keyboard is way more complex to learn and understand, especially when it comes to recoil patterns. But if you become a master at keyboard and mouse, you're gonna absolutely slam everybody, and it's not even close. They're also trying to bring up the fact that they're transgender to try to make an argument to defend them or attack them. In which, if you do that type of shit, you're an asshole. Anyways, guys, love y'all. Peace, peace. Hope you enjoyed the video.